It's only genitals. Bare-breasted is okay in Colorado, so you're fine with that. Don't stop in park where there are children. The parents get upset. The children couldn't give anything, but the parents get upset. There are no leaders. We don't know where we're going. We're following the people who happen to be ahead. Okay? All we know, probably we'll end up downtown, but we really don't know.
Writing a message on my back, no gas needed, which I feel is pretty true.
So we were following for a while. It's just pretty cool that only in Boulder would something like that happen, and everyone's totally okay with it.
Yeah!